This is not your typical set of stairs, and you might be able to tell why, because they're on hinges, and there is a good reason for that. My dad built these stairs about 30 years ago, and they are now in a pretty bad state of disrepair. And the reason they're on hinges is because this little hole right here, and where I'm about to throw this, is the top of the septic tank. So this was the best location at the time for these stairs, so my dad decided to put them on hinges so that every 2 or 3 years when they came to clean the septic tank out, he could prop it up somehow, because they are super heavy, and they could come in and do their thing and clean it out, and he could lower them back down and he'd have stairs. But recently I made a video on building new stairs, which was a lot of work, and which is probably why he chose to do this over here. There was a nice, at the time, a nice flower bed where I built the stairs, but I redid the whole thing. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link in the description over to where you can see it. This video is a little different. It's literally just me taking these stairs out. I wasn't thrilled to take them down because my dad worked so hard on them so long ago, and he passed away last year, and things like this are just hard sometimes. But you have to keep moving forward, and I had to do the right thing, which was to get rid of these dangerous, at this point, stairs. So I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of me taking these stairs down. I'll be quiet now so you can enjoy, hopefully, and thanks for watching.